So I am trying to get the buttons. Blah. Okay, so I have to pull the gun. So why everybody do that? So okay, I gotta run away. Let's run in the pumpkin monster. Where's the fatty pumpkin monster? Yeah, where is it? He's so scared of a baby. Ah! Oh shoot! He's so fast. He's getting me. Oh, I'm gonna have. No! I'm dead. Oh no, I'm dead. Why am I dead for? Maybe I was too slow. And look at my little legs. Seriously, right now. Now I'm gonna watch everybody. Okay, I found a pumpkin master. Let's see if I buy anything. Those are not good. Those are trash. Let's see, I can spin. Nope, not much books. Let's see. Nope, not that. Nope. That's too expensive for me. Okay. Now I'm just gonna do something else. And then I'm gonna do those. So, let's see what we do. Okay. Whoa, I want to fly. I don't know which one is it. I think I'm done. Oh, it's a cloudy. It's a game pass. So no. Well, he can try to figure out which. So he can be poor. Okay, let's try to press the button. I think I pressed the button. Oh, I don't like this sound. The Easter Bunny is so hard. I can't find one. Let's see, I can't find something. I hope so, because I can't find nothing. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see where I find it. Let's see. Nope, someone took mine. This is hard. Okay, I'll even do something. Oh, I found one. That's mine. First aid. Okay, let's see, I can find another one.
Okay, now.
Okay, let's see if I can find I found one. Still, I have over 3 things. No, I have 0, okay? So I'm gonna find some more.
Oh, excuse me. Let's go. Now we got to stop the 500 bears from spawning. Let's see if we can do it. And then figure it out. Okay. Okay. We gotta avoid the rockets. Okay, I must be a wheel. Let's see. Oh, I don't have any wheel. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna look at this shop real quick. Let's see if I can buy something to make me fly. Oh, the game pass is so